In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add milestone in Monday.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a timeline column to your board and set a milestone that shows up clearly in your project views, keeping your team aligned and your deadlines unmistakable. First, head to Monday.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and have permission to edit the board you'll be working on. If you can add or modify columns on a board, you're good to go. It's best to do this from a desktop browser for full visibility of the board header. Now, look to the left side of your screen and choose the board where your items live. Click the board to open it. You'll see your groups and items laid out in rows with the column headers across the top. This is where we'll add the date functionality that powers milestones. At the far right of your column headers, click the plus icon to add a new column. This opens the column options. From here, select Timeline. The Timeline column lets you set a start and end date for each item, so you can visualize duration across a calendar or Gantt style view. It's ideal for highlighting key phases and single-day milestones. With the Timeline column added, click into a cell for the item you want to schedule. This opens a date selector. If you're setting a date range, choose your start date and then your end date. You'll see the range appear in the cell and in supported views as a bar that spans those days. To set a milestone, choose a single date by selecting the same start and end day. A single day selection is treated as a milestone and will appear as a distinct point, often a diamond, in views like Gantt or Timeline. This makes critical handoffs and launch days easy to spot. If you need to fine-tune later, just click the cell again to adjust the dates. Your changes save automatically. Repeat this for any other items that need dates or milestones. Keeping milestones to a single day helps everyone understand that it's a fixed deadline rather than a duration. If you're mapping a phase, use a range. If you're flagging a key checkpoint, use the single day milestone. That's it. You signed in, opened your board, added a timeline column, clicked a cell, and set your dates or milestone. With this in place, your project plan becomes clearer, status updates move faster, and your team can rally around the dates that matter most.